Memphis since 1986, and I've been a resident of Whitehaven most of that time. In order to be a part of the community, you have to be active in it. Everybody can do something. Several times we've had to fight big business in the Whitehaven area because there's a lot of land, and land is cheap in Memphis. Everybody knows that. So we have vacant lots and different things in different areas that are very appealing to businesses. Back in maybe 2003, 2004, we were faced with having a pull-apart junkyard sit in the center of our community, at the beginning of our community, and the community didn't want it. Now, I had been asking since November, please come and talk to my community. This is not what my community wants, and we're not going to back down on something we don't want. We live here, not you. You work here. That's the difference. We live here. We have to come home every day. We do not want a 24-hour factory or any other factory in the center of our neighborhood. They would not listen. They proceeded to go forward with their project. They said it was going to be a Voltechnical school because the land was zoned residential, and they couldn't put a factory, light manufacturing factory, in an area zoned for homes. So they never came up with a school. They never came up with a Voltechnical program, but they still kept pushing for this building to be built. The community kept pushing as well for it not to be built. In the end, the community won. We had over, I want to say, almost 2,000 people against, and four people for the factory to be built. You can be active in so many different ways. You don't have to be the mouthpiece. You don't have to be out front, but you do need to be sincere about what you're doing. We are supposed to be our brother's keepers, and the best way to do that is to look out for one another.